Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with what we're calling the best urban corset, the Raxnode Lace Bustier Corset Top. If you're looking to make a statement on your next night out or simply want to elevate your style, this piece might just be what you need. The Raxnode Lace Bustier is designed for women who want to flaunt their figure while keeping things trendy and chic. Crafted from a blend of 77% nylon and 23% spandex, it offers a comfortable yet flattering fit that hugs your body in all the right places. The lace detailing adds a touch of vintage elegance, making it perfect for both casual outings and special events. One of the standout features of this corset is its unique buckle design. The multiple adjustable buckles not only serve as a stylish accent but also allow for a customizable fit. No two bodies are the same, and this corset embraces that idea, letting you shape it to your unique silhouette. Whether you choose to wear it alone or layer it under a blazer, the versatility of the Raxnode Lace Bustier is impressive. Pair it with high-waisted jeans for a casual look, or slip it under a sleek skirt for a more formal vibe. The adjustable shoulder straps ensure that you can get the perfect fit, no matter your body type. But the design doesn't stop there. The breathable material makes this corset comfortable enough to wear for hours. Whether you're hitting a club, attending a party, or just enjoying a night out with friends, you can feel confident and stylish without sacrificing comfort. Now, let's talk about the care of this fabulous piece. It's recommended to hand wash only to maintain its quality and longevity. This might seem like a hassle, but trust me, it's worth it to keep this beauty looking fresh and new. The Raxnode Lace Bustier comes in various colors, including classic coffee, wine, and black, allowing you to pick the one that suits your personal style best. Plus, it's available in multiple sizes, making it accessible for a wide range of body types. In a world where fashion can often feel one size fits all, the Raxnode Lace Bustier stands out as a piece that celebrates individuality and self-expression. It's not just a corset, it's a statement, a confidence booster, and an essential item for any fashionista's wardrobe. So, if you're ready to turn heads and make a lasting impression, the Raxnode Lace Bustier Corset Top might be the perfect addition to your collection. Don't forget to check it out online and see how it can elevate your wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish.